I voted, and I'm here with the ginger beer. Okay, now y'all, I ain't never had ginger beer before. If y'all have had ginger beer, comment down below. Yes, I am bringing y'all a short today. Why? Because you can record 3-minute shorts now. So why not? Okay? How about it? All right, y'all. My microwave is in the back. My mom is doing my famous microwavable potato, y'all. Okay? I posted up a video about that. If y'all want to know how to microwave a potato, refer to my page. I got it for y'all. All right, y'all. It say pull out, then up. I'm so scared of this, y'all. Ah! See what I'm saying? Woo! That thing said, y'all, and it scared me. Oh, I'm so scared. Pull out, then up. Y'all, y'all, this stuff scared me. I don't even like opening up I don't even like opening up the biscuits. Let's smell it. Cheers. It smells very delicious. You want to try some more?
Just a little bit.
All right. My mom has had it before, so I'm going to get her opinion on how she likes it. All right, y'all. Cheers. I just keep on throwing it up in y'all face. It smells so good. Oh my God. Y'all hear my mom in the back? My mom in the back was It sounds just like a run-on sentence. Y'all know, like when y'all was in school and your teacher be like, put a period right here, put a comment right here, because you just got a run-on sentence. Y'all, that burp just kept on going. This is actually pretty good, y'all. This is actually good. Now, a bigger bottle, I would enjoy. This is good. Woo! Wow. Ooh. This would pair really good with a dinner. Ooh. Woo! Y'all just come back tomorrow. Okay? Because this right here will pair good alongside of a meal. This right here is actually really delicious.